Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make an animated logo using VN Editor. First, you need to open your VN Editor and then make a new project. And here now we can insert a text like this. And for example, I would like to type tong tips, like this. And now you need to adjust the size of the text like this. And after finish, don't forget to adjust the duration of the text. And now you need to export the design, and after you're done export it, back to your new project again, and then click this symbol here, click photos and add the add the design that you already saved before. And now adjust the size of it like this. Okay, and after that click this symbol one more time, add the logo of your company, for example, or etc. And after that, let's try to make it have a motion. To make this logo have a motion, first you need to add a mask. And for example, I would like to try add a mask onto the text like this, and then split the text like this. Now I have to remove the mask onto this. My bad. And this one, remove the mask on the second video of the text like this. And back to the logo, I want to add a moving motion. So for example, I will try to rotate this logo like this, and then I add a keyframe. And here on the second video, let's click the text and then click mask, click linear mask, and then try to rotate it until it has a vertical position like this. Then after you finish doing it, adjust the mask, then don't forget to click keyframe. I think in this position will be good. This one, then swipe left your text one more time, and then move the mask, then swipe left again, then move the mask one more time. And after you finish doing it, don't forget to add a last frame, okay, like this. Then after you finish doing it, don't forget to rotate the logo one more time. So for example, I'll like to rotate it like this. Okay, now we can see the result, and it will look like this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.